Welcome to Simplekidscrafts.com, episode 622, how to make zipper pull and pin earrings. Materials: pins or zipper pulls, split rings, earring hooks, glue, pliers, and optional nail polish. Hi! Today we will be making these earrings inspired by the Monster High dolls, Draculaura and Guldia. Let's get started. For the first earring, I'm going to be using these pins, and you can see that they're very small pins that you can find at the 99-cent stores, or at arts and crafts stores, as well as the drug stores. And I'm putting a little bit of glue on the safety pins so that I can actually use them and make sure that they don't come off as you're wearing them. The next step is to use pliers to open up split rings and then attach the earring hooks to the pins right here. So I'm opening up my split ring and carefully I will attach my earring hook and then close it up. And here we have the first earring, and here we have a preview of the pair of earrings already completed. You can also color the elements that you will be using on your earring. For this particular element, I will be using white, but you're welcome to use whatever color you want in your design. I will be using white zipper pulls, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on them so that they don't move as I'm wearing them together with my earring hooks. I'll then take the pliers and attach the split rings to the zipper pulls and the earring hooks. And we're done with the first earring, and here is a preview of both earrings already completed. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you make it at home. I'll see you